guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's look I actually decided to use purple eyeliner, and this is kind of what I came up with. I thought I would sneak in one last vampy lip before spring. And without further ado, if you guys want to know how to get this look, then just keep watching. Hey guys, so I'm actually doing my base first today, and I'm going to go through this fairly quickly because it's basically the same thing I do in every video. I'm going to prime my face and my eyes, and then I'm actually only applying concealer and no foundation, and then I'll set everything with powder and highlight and do my brows as usual. So I'm going to just fast forward through this. Alright, so to move on to the eyes, I'm taking that color right there in the 350 palette, and I'm kind of dusting that all over my lid. I'm not really doing this with any sort of rhyme or reason, just kind of dusting that all onto the crease and sort of my lid as well. And then I'm also moving on to this shade from Anastasia, and I'm really focusing this on the crease itself and then bringing it also into the inner part of the lid. So I am going over top of the color a few more times just to build up that color and the intensity of the color, like that pinky shade. And this will be the transition for the other shades that will be going over top, and we will be deepening up the crease, so this will help blend everything nicely. So now I'm going in with a smaller brush and the shade Bitten from Makeup Geek. This color is so incredibly beautiful. It's like a deep maroon with a reddish brown undertone. This is going to intensify the look while bringing out cranberry tones that will tie in with that purple eyeliner. So now I'm going in with this palette from Pure and taking that deep plum color with the same brush to deepen out the outer edge. And now I'm switching to a more synthetic hair precise blending brush to deepen it even more and really focus that color on the outer V. And then I'm taking whatever's left and kind of flicking it to create that cat eye effect. So at this point I thought I was done with the lid and moved on to the lower lash line, and I buffed in Bitten on a pencil brush, and I will later go on and complete the lower lash line, but I realized I wanted more color on the lid, so I took Bitten again and packed that onto the lid, and I buffed out the edges and went back in with Bitten again to build up that color, and I did this several times until I got the intensity that I wanted. So going back into the Pure palette, I'm taking that matte yellow shade to highlight the brow bone and the inner corner, and I brought this into the inner corner about like a third way, just to bring some dimension to the eye, and I also put this on the brow bone as I mentioned before. So to finish off the lower lash line, I'm taking that deep plum color on a detailed pencil brush and dusting that into the outer part of the eye and connecting it to the lid. So I'm taking this NYX liquid liner in the shade Extreme Purple to do a wing. And I'm going to speed through this because you've seen me put on liner before, and the only difference is this is purple instead of black. So to highlight the brow bone, I'm taking Laura Geller Gilded Honey. I use this on my cheeks, so I decided that I would incorporate that into the eye. This is one of my favorite highlight shades. So now I am curling my lashes and applying a coat or two of mascara. I'm not putting any falsies on, so I'm building up the mascara. You could apply some false lashes if you would like, but I just thought I would do without them this time. And I am also going to be applying some blush. I didn't know what color I would want, so I thought I would do the eyes first and then do the blush later. So now I'm lining my lips with this NYX lip pencil, and it's like a berry color, and I'm taking this NYX Liquid Suede lipstick and applying this on my lips. I know this is kind of like a bold combination with the purple liner and then like a bold dark lip. But if you want, you can always switch out the lip for like a pinky shade or a nude, whatever suits you. So yeah, that basically completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to leave me a comment letting me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see next. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!